Hey guys, this is Kestup and today I will show you how to make a menu driven program for your Windows, and it is basically like Jarvis and some kind of assistant for your Windows or any other operating system. So what you need is a basic knowledge of Python, and this is basically a guide to make a project. So I'll just help you and guide you how to make a project, and you can make further changes if you know the basic concept or core concept of this. And I've already made a folder over here and a hello.py named file which we are going to use to make the assistant. So we need two libraries, basically module and pyttsx3 module. So we are going to install it just by going to cmd and pip install pyttsx3. And I have already installed this pyttsx3, so my it is showing that requirement already satisfied. So if you have not installed this, this will install for you. And what we are going to do is directly jump into the project, and the first thing we are going to do is import the libraries, the modules we are going to use, which are OS module and pyttsx3 module. So uh, at the starting we are going to create the hello page kind of thing, which is hello, welcome to my tools. So we'll just print over here welcome to my tools and save it. And now we are going to go to the Python folder, and what you are going to do to run the program, you have to just click on shift. If there is any background noise from my side, I'm really sorry for it, but I am sure that I'll be audible to you. So yeah, just click on right click and plus shift, so you can see this open Windows PowerShell here. Okay, so you are just going to click here and just write python and hello.py, which is my folder's name. You can see here, file's name you can see here, and we'll just click here and see here is hello welcome to my tools, and it just exits. So we have just created the welcome thing in our Python. So now we are going to ask the user which tools you have to use. So here are my tools. Okay, now we are going to print some tools, like we want open Notepad, print open Chrome. These are the basic things which the assistant does for us. And like we need to open YouTube. I'll just put this in capital. Okay, just save it and check if there is no error or something. See, here it is. Hello, welcome to my tools. Here are my tools. Open Notepad, Chrome. See, it will just print. There is no function going on. There is nothing going on. It will just print these lines. So what we are going to do is write an input command so we can input our statement, right? So we'll just create a variable called x and write here input. Okay, so it will ask us for some information. We'll just check. If I say like YouTube, it's going to do nothing but exit the program, because we have not written the if and else statement we require. So we are just I'll just show you one thing. If I go print x here, whatever I write in the input command, it will print again. See, if I write Chrome, it will print again one more time. So we don't want this. I'm just showing you. And what we are going to do is go in the open notepad. We will if the user is selecting notepad, then we are going to open notepad. And this is a very basic thing we can do by if and else statement. And if and else statement is the main code we are going to use here, and it is pretty much it is everything in this code, in this project. So we are going to write if notepad, I'll just quote it, in x means variable which we are the input is carrying, x is carrying the input. So if there is notepad in x, then what we are going to do is print, oh wait a second, launching notepad. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to use the OS module over here, which is os.system, and right here start notepad, which will basically run our notepad. We'll just go over here and see if it is coming on. See, notepad has been launched. If I write notepad over here, which is a good thing, which is a good sign, which that our project is kind of working. And I need input, which should be like what should I run for you? Okay, this is good. Yep, this is good. And we'll just write end this so the line doesn't end over here, right? And there's some kind of error. Yeah, I know. So here's the error, I guess. Let's see. We'll just write over. There's some kind of error. I'm not understanding what is going over here. So I'll just print new line over here. Yes, this will work. Yep. What should I run for you? I'll just write over here notepad. One thing I should do is we should write over here this kind of thing. We'll add some space over here and try to run. Yep, it's looking looking better now. So like we have written the notepad kind of code over here, so we'll do the similar things to other commands also, other Chrome and YouTube things, whatever these are. So what we are going to write is elif Chrome in x, wait a second, in x. Then we are going to write print launching Chrome, and we'll just write the same command, but here we are going to write just start Chrome. Okay, now the same command for YouTube, right? There is a small change in this YouTube. We are going to just write the URL of the site, right? Like we are going to do start Chrome and space www.youtube.com. okay. Oh wait, I have just printed this statement. What I'm going to do is write over here os.system, right, and I'll just print over here that launching YouTube. So let's run the software again and we'll write YouTube over here, and there we go. I guess YouTube will launch. Yep, YouTube is launching. So I'll just exit this, and what I want is, I don't want this to print launching YouTube. I want it that the computer says to me launching YouTube. So this is where pyttsx3 comes, and the role of pyttsx3 is here. So what we are going to do, instead of writing print statement, we are going to do pyttsx3 or dot speak, right, and if I just run it again and I write over here YouTube,
Launching YouTube.
so you can see that it is saying to me that he is or she is, it's just launching the YouTube. So we are going to write over here also pyttsx3 dot speak, right, and over here also. So let's just check if the program is working or not. So I go over here and write Notepad.
Launching Notepad.
See, it's speaking for me that this guy is launching Notepad, and I don't want the program to be exit, right. I don't want that if I write Notepad, then it's
Launching Notepad.
then it's exiting, right. I can't write over here Notepad again too. I can just the Python program is not working. If I write Chrome, it will not run, right. Notepad is a command, so we can run it by PowerShell, but we can write can you please run the Notepad for me, right. But if I am but if I am running my code, so I'll write can you please run the Notepad for me, right,
Launching Notepad.
and it will launch the Notepad. So I don't want this program to be exited. Okay, so what I am going to do is put all of this in the while statement, right. So what I'm going to do is while true, right, and I'll just tab over here, so there should be no indentation error. Wait, sorry. I'll just do it quickly, right. Yep. So sorry for this mistake, and yeah, we'll just run again, and if I write can you please run Chrome for me,
Launching Chrome.
it will just launch the Chrome, and it will ask me again if I want to run anything, and what if I want to quit this program, right. So I have to do I have to quit over here and do the things, right, do the things again. So we are just wait a second, guys. We'll just open again this, folder. Wait, python hello.py, and this will run forever, right? uh, I will just close it, and if I want again to run, I will just run it. Okay, so if nothing is there, right, if no command is there, if the computer is not understanding what to do right now, so what we are going to do is else uh, print can't understand, wait, can't understand the statement, and then what we are going to do is x is equal to, wait, x is equal to not x, we'll put y is equal to input input array, wait, input, do you want me to launch Chrome, right? If you are not getting the answer, if the software can't give you the answer, it will ask you if you want to launch the Chrome. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to write uh, if if yes in y, then we are going to launch Chrome, right? Start Chrome. And what we are going to do in the else statement, else print can't understand, and one more statement we are going to write, which is elif, and elif should be elif no in y, then we are going to print, okay, thanks for using, right? And if you want to quit, if you want to quit the software, then what we are going to write is if elif quit in x, then exit. Okay, so we'll just run it again. There we go. And if I want to quit, it will quit for me. And if I want to just I don't know, I want to search Google on Wikipedia, right? So it will not understand, can't understand. I have just written the spelling wrong. So yeah, can't understand the statement, do you want me to launch Chrome? I'll just write no, and it will say okay, thanks for using, hello, welcome to my tools again, and I'll just put it over here. Okay, right. But sorry. So it will quit for me, and if these things are like these things are getting filthy, and you don't like it, so we can just write it print and give it a new line, right? We all know these simple commands, right? And we just run it over here. So here you can see, here are my tools, open Notepad, open Chrome, open YouTube, and right, we can write more commands over here. You can add many things over here, right? You can just I'll just add one more thing to it, which is open Windows Media Player, right? And I'll put one more elif command, which will be for my Windows Media Player, right? Windows, or I'll just write player, and in X, and what I'm going to write here is os.system start. Oh, wait. Sorry. Yep. Start VM player. This is the code for a Windows Media Player. Just exit this code. Right. This is where it is. This is the code for Windows Media Player, and we'll print, or we'll just speak, right? We'll use the pyttsx module. Launching Windows Media Player. One important thing we are going to do is we'll put the X in the lower value. Okay, X should be lower case. Oh wait, wrong command. Why lower? Because we need if we are writing things in capital, it will not understand and open these things, right? So we'll just change the characters in small letters so that it can identify Notepad, Chrome, YouTube Player, quit. So you know the basic concept, right? So these this is the software, right? We can convert it to a very good software. I just guided you how to make it, how to make the software. You can add many things over here, right? You can you can open Chrome, you can open Twitter, etc. So I guess this was a helpful video for you guys, and if you need more such project videos, so you can just comment down below and I'll try to make more videos for you guys related to Python projects and other languages projects. I am I know Python really good, so yeah, it will be nice if you guys want more Python projects, right? So this was it, guys. If any problem is occurring, then just please ask in the comment section. I'll just figure it out, and I'll give you the answer, and I'll help you basically with the project. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.